Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS borders. And right now, we'll be discussing about how to set different border colors by color values. Back to our document, in our previous tutorial, we specify our border color using different color names. As you can see, we're having color names right here. But let's check the code. Here is the code, and right here we use color name. Let's comment this out and change this to color value instead of using color names. So right now we are going to use color value of RGB. Border color, specify border color once again, the property, and now let's use RGB. Inside this RGB we can specify if we need blue or red. If we need red, we can specify 255 right here. If you want to mix it with green, down then we are going to have yellow. You can specify 255 right here also. And if you do want to have blue at all, you can specify a 0 right here. Then you are going to have yellow color. Let's reload. Can you see? Now we are using our color value from the RGB, right? And we can use 255 again. 255, we can mix it with red. We can specify 0 right here. Then we can have another color. Red and blue together, it gives us this kind of color. And again, we can use another color value again. We can use X color value. We can use hashtag FF0000. Then we are going to have red color. Can you see? And we can also use FF00FF. Then we are going to have another color. Can you see? We are having another color again. And we can use FF00IA. Then we are going to have another different color again. Can you see? And also, there's another way again we can go around this. We can go about it. We can use HSL color also, and this hue we can specify like, let's specify like 120 right here. When we specify 120 right here, the saturation, what can we specify inside this saturation? We can just specify 100%, and we give it 100%. And the lightness we can give it, just give it 50%. When we specify this, then we are going to have our green color. Can you see? Now we can change this to another color by specifying, let's give it 90. Let's see the color we are going to have, or give it 40. Let's give it 40. Save our document. Let's reload. Can you see the color we have? So you can do a lot with this. So I think you are getting the point. That's how we can use color values in our border color. So please practice this, because practice makes perfect. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name once again. I don't want this tutorial to get too long, so have a great day. Thank you so much, and to the next. Bye. Peace. Just in case before I go, in case you don't know how you don't know anything about HSL or X or RGB colors, you can check our CSS color playlist to be able to understand how I got to know about all these colors, because we have discussed about this in our previous tutorial. Everything you have seen inside this document right here, you can search through our document, and I'm very sure you are going to find a playlist for it, so you can be able to understand anything you want to learn about it easily. Have a great day once again. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. Have a great day, and to the next tutorial. Bye bye.